Exercise 6. Conversation 1.
Are you ready to order, sir?
Yes, I'll have prawn cocktail as a starter, please.
And for your main course?
I'd like the lamb, please.
Certainly, sir.
Conversation 2.
Next. 2 cheeseburgers, please. Do you want fries with those? Yes, please. Any drinks? 2 Cokes, please. That's £4.50.
Conversation 3.
Hi, John. Did you have a good weekend?
Great, thanks. It's really hard going back to work on Monday.
I agree. I'm taking my lunch break now.
Me too. I wonder what they have on the menu today. I fancy a nice salad.
I'm really hungry. I think I'll have a cooked meal.
If you're lucky, they'll have some pasta. They had some really tasty lasagna last week.
Conversation 4.
Would you like a complimentary in-flight drink, sir?
Can I have an orange juice, please?
Do you want ice with that?
Yes, please.
Here you are, sir.